Okay, never mind. I'll have to do it later. Yeah, do it later. Okay. Oh shit, Bubba! Run! He's not coming over here. Surely he's not coming over here. Surely he's not coming over. He's coming over. Oh my god, run! What are you doing? You don't see me. Woo! Got him. Why do I still hear boss music? Okay. Yeah, he did. Okay, I don't see him, but he's still near me. Oh, he's up. Okay, I think he just has a bigger tear radius because I thought he was on me, and he was on Leon. He bamboozled me. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh! Oh man. That was just silly now. That was silly. Come on, Zeph, what are you, new? He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He's in the corner to my right. He's in the jungle gym to my right. He's circling back, he's circling back. He's going into the killer shack. The other guys are not coming. You are my only hope. Okay, one of them might be coming. I don't know if that's Leon or Vittorio. That's Leon. Leon's coming for me. I need a hero! Thank you. I am dead on hook, so just FYI, I'm gonna have to play a little bit more reserved. Is he now? Should be fine as long as he doesn't go back to the gen. Why haven't all gens been done yet? I've run the killer for 2 minutes. Why have no gens been done? Guys, it's been 4 minutes. Why have you not found the cure to cancer? Truly, truly, my teammates are trolling. Uh-oh. Well, I'm doing the one in the corner. Not the corner by the blood gentle, the other side, parallel to it. Or, I guess, if there's 4 sides, it would be parallel no matter which way you look, right? Sometimes I wish DVD had, like, markers. Alright, one more should do the trick. Don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around, don't turn around. He's not behind me. He can't get me if I don't look at him. No. Wait, he hasn't grabbed him yet. Okay, let me see if I can help him. He's on me. No, he's not. I can. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can help him. Oh god! He's gonna get me, he's not 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 gonna get me! He got me. I was able to help him, so I helped him. Right there! Oh my! I was like 99%. Fuck! Oh man! You hate to see it. Don't want to die. GG. Aw, he didn't get to hear my joke. Damn it. Damn it!